Welcome to Ellon Academy's virtual assembly for Tuesday the 24th of August 2021. So the quote of the week for this week is, "This is a new year, a new beginning, and things will change." And that's a quote by the singer-songwriter Taylor Swift. And that quote is appropriate. We're not in a new year in terms of January the 1st, but we're in a new school year, a new academic year. And it does feel like a new beginning, with everyone returning to school in uniform, albeit we still have to wear face coverings in school, but it's beginning to feel like things are changing, and hopefully changing back to some sort of normality as we used to know. It's exciting as well being at the start of a new school year and a new term, with all of the things that have the potential to happen over this next year, and exciting to think that many of the things that we missed and we weren't able to do, we will be able to do once again as a school. And that's a very exciting prospect for the future. So a really bit of good news, and for the health and well-being of pupils and staff, we are now permitted to run our extracurricular clubs and activities. And those are clubs and activities that run at lunchtimes and after school, and they range from sporting clubs, music clubs, library clubs, help clubs, extra study support, chess, there's Warhammer, there's a whole range of things that young people can get involved in. Now, the teachers were just made aware that we can resume our extracurricular clubs and activities. They were made aware last Thursday, so we need to give them a little bit of time to be able to get things up and running and organised again, and information out to pupils to let them know what's happening at what times and where. So, but we do plan to pull together a booklet or a sheet with all of the activities that and all the information about each activity for each pupil to see. And also potentially we could be having a first year activities fair in school, and that will be able to showcase to our new first year pupils all of the different things that they can get involved in, and things that are and always have been part of the life of Ellon Academy. Extracurricular activities and wider activities help to develop skills that are really essential for future, and the skills that you learn and you develop through taking part in some of these activities is really helpful to your future and to how you shape as a young adult. And also it helps you decide the kind of things that you enjoy and the kind of things that you might not like so much. Sometimes you'll join a club or activity and think, well, this is not really for me, but you might join something that really is something that helps you and something that you're really involved in and can grow and develop within that activity. So the late gate has been running over the past week, and we really want to emphasise how important it is to be on time for school. It's about respect, being respectful of your school and the time that we start, and respectful of the fact that you have to be in registration to get key information from the daily bulletin, and also to register on time as part of your school day. And it's about taking responsibility for yourself as well. We've been having conversations with those latecomers about that responsibility of making time in the morning to do the things you need to do, to eat a healthy breakfast, and to make time for your travel as well, and also build in time for something that might go wrong in the morning that delays you. And all of these things add up to making good habits for the future, so that employers can be really pleased to know that you have a record of good timekeeping, being punctual and arriving on time for school, and that those good habits will serve you well when you're in a job, or when you're just trying to catch a bus or a train or something. It's so important to be on time. Now, some people are late every now and again, and that's happened to almost everyone I know. But as it says there, the problem is not with someone turning up late once or twice. The problem is when late coming is the norm and not an expectation. So people that get into those habits really struggle to break them, and then really struggle when they're in a job as well, and that could be, quite difficult for an employer who won't put up with a record of late coming for any period of time. So just encouraging our young people to get into good habits and be here exactly when you're expected to be here. And also, we're really pleased at the turnout for school uniform, and thank you to all our young people and their parents and carers for supporting that. It's again another sign of some sort of normality, and it's really, really nice to see our learners looking so smart. It's really, really good. Thank you for your support. So just a quick reminder of our expectations about being ready for school, and that part of that is being on time, having the things that you need, and also being respectful to other young people, to staff, and also to our school environment as well. The head cleaner is a bit concerned that this week, having spent all of the summer peeling off and cleaning bits of chewing gum underneath desks and chairs, that's all appearing again this week. So do the right thing, show that integrity, do the right thing even when someone isn't looking, and put your gum in the bin, or wrap it in a tissue, put it in your pocket, but don't stick it under the school furniture. It's about being respectful of our environment and how we want to keep it looking as nice as it was on the day the school opened. We also expect young people to be safe in their conduct and in their actions, and all the usual things like walking around the school building, but also in the campus. If you're a cyclist, saying safe around the campus, but also in the community as well. And everything we tell you is for your own safety. For example, not walking through car parks or bus parks, not leaning over the banisters or railings, and it's all for your own safety. So hopefully we'll continue in the way that we've started. It's been a very positive start to school this term so far, and thank you again for listening.